Instructional system design is a systematic, structured approach to designing training and development programs. And what I mean by systematic is that every time we create a new training and development program, we use the same steps in the same order. When companies use a systematic approach, like the one prescribed by the ISD model, when they use this type of approach, they can be more certain that the training program addresses the right training needs, that it uses the right training methods, and that it does in fact have an impact on trainees' job performance. At the end of the day, remember, training and development needs to facilitate not only learning, but also transfer of training. When we use a structured approach, it allows us to get the most out of the investment, the training program. There are many ways to design a training program. The ISD model is just one approach. And there are several different models within the ISD framework. In general, though, the instructional system design principles lead us through a step-by-step linear process of designing training. On the next few slides, we are going to look at two models, one with 7 stages and another with 5 stages. As we review these models, what you will notice is the steps are basically the same. Some models will combine 2 steps from a different model into 1 step. Essentially, though, all of these models are following a similar process: needs assessment, training design, training delivery, and then training evaluation. One of the things that can happen, unfortunately, is sometimes we design a training program to address a training need that never needed to be addressed in the first place. Remember that some performance problems cannot be solved with training. By following a model like the instructional system design model, we can ensure that the training needs we are trying to address are in fact the training needs that need to be addressed according to the business strategy. We do this through what is called a needs assessment. We will cover needs assessment in more detail in Module 3. For now, know that needs assessment is usually part of most training design models. If it isn't, it should be. Needs assessment is essential to the effectiveness of a training program.